Hello everyone, I am Robert Ross with the North Carolina Forest Service. I serve as staff forester at our Raleigh, North Carolina headquarters under Mr. Barry New in the Technical Development and Planning branch. Today we will briefly review the wood products industry in North Carolina, discussing the present number and types of wood processing facilities, discuss the producers that are involved in the commercial firewood industry, and review a few of the active and ongoing projects of the North Carolina Forest Service Technical Development and Planning branch. Currently, there are around 213 primary wood processing facilities across North Carolina. North Carolina contributes around 5% of the total U.S. wood products production. The displayed pie chart reflects how roundwood, sawlogs, and pulpwood are utilized to the highest percentages of production at 41 and 34% respectively. North Carolina's firewood producers are represented in the bioenergy fuelwood group and contribute to around 13% of the state's roundwood production. North Carolina's timberlands support a diverse forest products industry. Currently, there are 8 chip mills in the state, producing around 1 million tons of chips, primarily for the pulp and paper industries. The 114 sawmills within the state have an average annual production of around 2.6 billion board feet. In addition, there are 63 plus custom and portable sawmills across the state. 6 shaving mills operate within the state and largely support the agricultural and domestic animal bedding markets. Taylor Stave LLC, located in Nebo, North Carolina, is the only oak stave mill in operation. There are 5 pulp and paper mills within North Carolina. It is important to note that Evergreen Packaging Group in Canton, North Carolina, is not considered as a primary wood processing facility as it receives chips and not roundwood. There are 6 plywood and veneer mills. Enviva operates 4 pellet mills in Hertford, Richmond, Northampton, and Sampson counties. And Active Energy Group in Lumberton is forecasted to begin producing pellets in third quarter of 2021. The state's 2 oriented strand board plants are operated by Louisiana Pacific Corporation in Person County and Weyerhaeuser Elkin OSB in Surry County. Capital Wood Products Incorporated, General Timber, and Coppers Holdings are the 3 pole and post mills within the state. Currently, we only have 48 commercial firewood producers listed in our statewide database. In order to promote the commercial firewood industry, it is important to know who is involved. The North Carolina Forest Service database is continuously growing to include more commercial firewood producers and to more accurately account for this segment of the forest products industry. This slide portrays the significance of the wood products industry to the state's economy. The forest products industry in North Carolina, including forestry and logging operations, sawmill, furniture mills, and pulp and paper industries, was the top employer among manufacturing sectors in the state, supporting more than 150,000 jobs and contributing $33.6 billion to our state's economy. The forest sector in North Carolina directly generated about $274 million in state and local taxes and $850 million in federal taxes. We currently have 16 commercial firewood producers on our list from 12 different mountain counties. 9 of these producers have been assigned timber production output mill numbers and are therefore randomly surveyed during the annual TPO survey. Some of the largest commercial firewood producers are Lumberjill Firewood, Green River Firewood, Linville River Company, and Taylor Stave. Our list for the Piedmont region contains 24 producers from 15 different Piedmont counties. 11 have been assigned TPO mill numbers. In the Piedmont region of North Carolina, Lee's Firewood, Hot Times Firewood, Timber Creek Mulch, and American Wood Yards are some of the top producers. Only 6 producers are on our list for the Coastal Plain region, and only 1 has been assigned a TPO mill number. Some ongoing projects in marketing and utilization are the Timber Production Output Survey that has been conducted since 1961 and provides estimates of the amount and source of wood receipts, annual timber product drain, and to determine interstate and cross-regional movement of industrial roundwood. Commercial firewood producers have been sampled since 2017, and many are assigned TPO mill numbers. Since 1977, the North Carolina Forest Service and the forest industry have been helping private forest landowners to plant trees and manage productive forest through the Forest Development Program, or FDP. The NC Forest Products Assessment Act of 1977 funds our state's reforestation cost-share program. There is an ongoing effort to re-educate and remind primary wood processing facilities of the North Carolina Forest Products Assessment. Primary Mills and Timber Buyers Database Updates. The Primary Mill Database is necessary for the NC Forest Assessment, and the Timber Buyers Database is popular among consulting foresters and private forest landowners who are interested in selling their timber. These datasets are updated on our NCFS website every quarter, and the primary mill data is fed into the Southern Regional Extension Forestry Forest Products Locator. Requests for list of commercial firewood producers is not uncommon. Our current list is posted on our NCFS website along with the other primary wood processors. Market Industry Government Data Request. The Technical Development and Planning Branch of the North Carolina Forest Service continues to promote the forest industry in North Carolina, and we will work closely with investors, economic development, and research. The Southern Timber Supply Analysis Applications helps communities, investors, and wood buyers to determine the supply of available forest resources in a given area and to make more informed decisions on where to locate wood-based businesses in the South. The North Carolina and Virginia Industry Roundtable is an LSR grant in developing and implementing strategies to improve management, health, and utilization of forest and forest industry through market development. The North Carolina Forest Service is promoting the state's commercial firewood industry through workshops and outreach in coordination with the Commonwealth of Virginia and NC State University Wood Products Extension. Thank you for your time today. Feel free to contact me if you need additional information or wish to be added to our list of North Carolina commercial firewood producers.